It's been 3 years and 6 whole months since I saw your face that night.
So, meron kaming pakain. Hindi ko alam kung ano meron eh. Pero may pakain nga ng big boss namin. Kaya doon kami sa malaking cafeteria ngayon.
Kasi yung ano natin, alam mo na.
Mataas.
Solo tayo eh.
Ay, gano'n.
Oo. Magaling tayo dahil. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, it's Lynette's birthday today, guys.
Guys, no, it's not.
No. It's not.
It took 5 seconds to fall in love and 2 more to make you mine. Now it's 4 in the morning, sunset and 7 minutes with you and it's heaven.
Ano masasabi mo? Very good.
Ain't an hour that rolls by. I love you
So, kaya
20.
daw nagpakain ng big boss namin kasi target achieve daw kami. So, nagpakain na sa lahat ng shift. Kasi, maganda kami. Sure. Kasi maganda yung performance. Ganon. Kain tayo, guys.
Second round.
4, 7, 3, 6, 5. Give you my name if you wanted to.
At eto guys, meron kaming pa-take out. Siyempre may pa-Sharon. O, diba?
Give you my heart if you wanted to. And I hope and pray that you stay right here till we're old and gray in our last few years.
Hi guys, so may second break ako lang mag-isa. Tingnan nyo. So usually kasi dito iba-iba ng break time. Yun. So ngayon chill lang kami ngayon sa work. Yun nga kayo na nagkaroon kami ng pa-dinner ng manager namin. Kasi daw, target achieve daw kami. So yun, may pakain. May mga paghanap si Mayor. Ganarn. Hi guys, so last break na. Siyempre ako na naman mag-isa. Pero ngayon meron na mga papasok na night shift. So andun na sila. So ako lang mag-isa ngayon. So masyado maingay. So mamaya na lang guys.
I'm on a knee, I just need yes.
Happy
A couple kids and a picket fence.